The AR Blue Clean BC2N1HSS electric pressure washer delivers impressive cleaning power with its robust motor, achieving up to 2,300 pounds per square inch and 1.7 gallons per minute. Its innovative two-in-one design allows for maximum mobility, featuring a detachable cart that can be easily released to use the washer as a standalone unit. This pressure washer is equipped with versatile cleaning options, including quick connect nozzles and a foam cannon, making it perfect for a variety of tasks, such as washing cars and patios. The included high-quality accessories, such as the M22 trigger gun and 25-foot hose, ensure a quick setup, allowing you to start cleaning without delay. The total stop system is a valuable feature that conserves energy by automatically shutting off the pump when the trigger is not engaged, prolonging the life of the washer. With its lightweight design and option for wall mounting, the BC2N1HSS offers both convenience and adaptability for all your outdoor cleaning needs.